adventure?
Yay! Yeah! You sit so low. Come on, pump it up a little more.
Yay!
That's better. I want to hear one more. Yay!
Yeah. 1 hour.
How many minutes?
55 minutes.
Okay. I can wait that long. Wherever I go, even this. Oh, that's so. Look, you see this gigantic mountain. Look, on the other side. There's so many gigantic mountains that are surrounding us. It's so scary. We're like going on the top. We're like going.
You can see the big numbers on the trailer. Just the trailer truck, please. Hi, mommy.
Number 9.
that you have ever seen. You think this is our house? No. You think we're in a hotel? No. We're in a trailer truck. Ha! Yes! Oh, look behind you. What is that? Oh, of course, it's a bed. I'll show you. Look at this perfect bed. It is so snuggly. And there's also some blankies. And a safe. Ooh, what happens if we open this up? Ooh, a hair dryer. And what else?
A praying mat.
A praying mat. Ooh, some slippers. Next, we have some windows, but how do you open them? It's too hard. So beautiful. You can see the nature outside. Just see a little bit. I'm sure you can see some good. Move. You can remove it.
Yeah, Mom can remove it for you. Oh.
Oh my goodness, I want to see some goats here. There's also some goats here, you know. But I think I missed them. I can't even see them now. I think they're in their holes. You see a hole? A hole? A hole? I forgot where the hole is. Oh man, my mistake. Ooh. Hello, who are you? Yes, I want some food, please. Thank you so much. Next, come, follow me, Vloggy. We have a TV. It's so cool. Do you have a controller or we can sit? Da-da-da. This is so delightful. Now next, I think there's some pretty table, tissues. Thank you for not smoking. Thank you. Oh, what's here? This is our mini bar. So if you open this, there's like a mini fridge or something. Let's see it. Let's see what's inside. Water? I'll be really thirsty for that. Next, we have this coffee making thing. Oh, this is so sucky. What's that? I don't know. What is that? Okay, we have lights. Okay, I don't want to turn it off yet. Next.
Say hi to Daddy first.
Oh, hi, Daddy.
Over there.
Oh.
And Mom.
Hi, Mommy. Also, we got the shower. Look at that. What a beautiful shower. Next, in this door, we have a toilet where you can pee and poop. There's like a big fan over there. Oh, those are towels. I did not even notice that. And Vlog, you're standing on the shower. Look down. You're standing on the shower. See, look, you're standing on the shower.
The sink.
Okay, that's the sink. That's the shower. And there's some towels outside. Follow me, Vloggy. Open the door. I just want to open the door. Come on. Give this a like and also not a like, a big thumbs up! Yay! Yay! For more subscribers. And first I want to say thank you for 305 subscribers. So it's so much. It's thank you. I can even I'm like, yay! I'm like that. So thank you so much. Keep subscribing. I hope you have a good day. Bye, guys.